Imagine holding a device that doesn't just change how you work, but completely rewrites the rules of what a tablet can actually do. For years, we've seen incremental updates. A slightly faster chip here, a marginally brighter screen there. But what Apple has done with the iPad 12th generation isn't just a step forward. It is a massive paradigm-shifting leap that makes you wonder if the traditional laptop is officially dead. If you think you know what to expect from an iPad, forget everything. Because behind closed doors in Cupertino, Apple has been cooking up something that is about to disrupt the entire tech industry. And today, we are stripping away the marketing hype to tell you exactly why this device is causing absolute panic among its competitors. Let's be honest for a second. Most tech upgrades feel like a cash grab. You spend hundreds of dollars just to get a device that feels 99% identical to the one already sitting on your nightstand. But right out of the gate, the iPad 12th generation makes a statement. The moment you see it, you realize the design language has evolved into something incredibly futuristic. Apple has managed to shave down the bezels to an absolute minimum, giving you an almost edge-to-edge canvas that feels like you're holding a literal sheet of digital paper. But the real magic isn't just how it looks on the outside. It's the raw, unadulterated power humming beneath the aluminum chassis. We need to talk about the brain of this beast. Apple has integrated their latest silicon masterpiece into this frame, and the benchmark numbers coming out are, frankly, terrifying. We are talking about desktop-class processing power inside an ultra-thin tablet. This means tasks that used to make high-end laptops choke and spin their fans out of control, like rendering complex 3D environments, editing multiple streams of uncompressed 8K video, or running massive datasets, happen instantly. There is zero lag, no stuttering, no waiting. It responds to your touch before your brain even fully processes the command. It begs the question, who is this truly for? Is it for the casual user who just wants to scroll through media? Or has Apple finally built the ultimate weapon for hardcore professionals? To truly understand the gravity of this release, we have to look at the display technology. Apple didn't just slap a standard panel on this and call it a day. They have introduced a revolutionary screen matrix that combines the deepest, infinite blacks of OLED with the blinding, vibrant peak brightness that you need when working outside under direct sunlight. When you watch a movie or edit a photograph on this screen, the colors don't just pop, they look almost hyper-realistic, pulling you into the frame. The refresh rate is so fluid that scrolling through a web page feels like butter. But here is the secret feature that Apple didn't highlight enough in their keynote, something that completely changes the game for digital artists and note-takers alike. They have fundamentally reduced the latency between the screen and the stylus to practically 0 nanoseconds. When you draw, the digital ink flows directly from the tip exactly like a real pen on paper. There's absolutely no separation. But a beautiful screen and a fast chip don't mean anything if the battery dies in 2 hours. And this is where the engineering team at Apple performed some serious wizardry. Despite making the device thinner and more powerful, the efficiency of the new architecture means the battery life doesn't just last all day. It pushes deep into the next day. You can leave your charger at home, go to a coffee shop, smash through a heavy day of work, stream your favorite shows on the